In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then Emergency Information, Add Contact, and any contact that you wish to add. When you finished, do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of your contacts, you need to click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!